Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 best baking oven is Oster oven. The Oster gives you the ultimate convenience of cooking with an oven on your countertop. Like our previous unit, this oven features convection technology that distributes heat throughout the oven to offer you perfect cooking results. This Oster digital countertop oven offers convection technology for faster, more even cooking, and is roomy enough to accommodate large casseroles, roasting and baking pans, even 2 large frozen pizzas. It offers a 200 to 450 degree temperature range with bake, toast, pizza, and defrost settings, and a 90-minute timer with auto-off. Dual shelves are great for entertaining in holidays, when you may have several cooking projects going. Dual shelves are great for entertaining in holidays, when you may have several cooking projects going. Dual shelves are great for entertaining in holidays, when you may have several cooking projects going. Number 2 in our side is Cuisinart TOB260N1 Chef's Convection Toaster Oven. This particular convection unit offers you up to 15 cooking functions to enable you to effortlessly bake toast, reheat, bagel, broil, and more. It delivers excellent heating power of up to 18,000 watts for faster heat up time. It also has a spacious interior that accommodates a baking pan as big as 9 by 13 inches, 9 slices of bread, or a giant 13-inch pizza. Keep in mind that the roomy interior is 100% non-stick for effortless food release and easy cleaning. It enables you to run up to 2 cooking functions at different levels of temperatures consecutively, making your cooking easier and faster. This unit will enable you to bake your cakes faster and produce superior results every time, thanks to the convection baking technology. The 4 interior rack positions offer you incredible versatility when cooking, and the interior oven light enables you to monitor your cake as it bakes. Third in our best baking oven list is Breville BOV450XL Mini Smart Oven. If space is a premium for you, you'll like this ultra-compact mini oven. Its small design enables it to sit on your countertop in your compact kitchen easily. The Breville Mini Smart Oven with Element IQ system is for the cook who desires a countertop oven that bakes the perfect pizza, delicious cookies and toasts evenly. Don't let Mini fool you, as this space-saving oven offers 8 cooking functions. Using 4 independent quartz elements, smart algorithms steer power to where and when it's needed to create the ideal cooking environment for perfect results every time. Fast 1800-watt preheat gets your meals on the table more quickly. Super versatile mini smart oven with 8 cooking functions to guide you to perfection: toast, bagel, bake, broil, pizza, roast, cookies and reheat. LCD display to more easily access the built-in smart functionality. Choose from 8 cooking functions. The walls on the inside of the oven feature a non-stick coating for easy cleaning. Our fourth pick is Panasonic Flash Express Compact Toaster Oven. If looking to replace your current oven with a new unit that cooks faster, then this is the best oven for baking cookies for you. The compact countertop unit features a double infrared ray heater that enables you to cook up to 40% faster than conventional toaster ovens. The convection technology produces instant heat to prevent the need for preheating for an easy baking experience. Operating this oven is super easy, even for absolute beginners. It comes with up to 6 auto menus with clearly illustrated preset buttons to give you a smooth start. You press these buttons, and the unit automatically calculates the tasting time and browning level for you. It also features a digital timer and temperature settings to help you bake perfect cookies and cakes. The Panasonic Flash Express Compact Toaster Oven uses efficient infrared technology and one-touch controls to bake, toast, and reheat perfectly, with an intelligent design that neatly fits on any countertop. Let's watch more. Last in this list is Calphalon Quartz Heat Countertop Toaster Oven. This toaster oven comes with an innovative quartz heating element which enables it to deliver 40% more even heat. The oven has a large enough interior where you can fit a 12-inch pizza, roast a whole chicken, and handle pretty much all your daily cooking needs. Use bake, broil, toast, pizza, bagel, roast, defrost, warm, reheat, cookies, and dehydrate presets. Easily utilize the intuitive high-contrast display to control all features and track current cooking settings. The built-in preset cooking functions feature all major cooking methods, including a dehydrator mode that easily makes apple chips, beef jerky, and more. It's large enough to fit a 12-inch pizza, and precise enough to roast a chicken with delectable results. And, don't forget about dessert. You can create delicious brownies, cupcakes, and pies with perfect consistency. Let's watch more.
Calphalon knows that perfect results begin with precise, even heat. And the new Calphalon Quartz Heat Countertop Oven delivers. With 11 precision cooking functions and even heat technology to carefully regulate temperature and generate 40% more even heat. So no matter what you're making, it will be evenly baked, dehydrated, or crisp. The turbo convection feature circulates air quickly and evenly for perfection in every serving. Calphalon Appliances.